Welcome to Home of Math. Today we will simplify these two algebraic fractions. Let's start. First question. X square minus 9 divide x square minus 2x minus 3 times x plus 1 divide x minus 3. So this fraction, look, first fraction x square minus 9, it's a difference of square. This one we can write x square minus and this 9 3 square, and this x square minus 2x minus 3 we can factorize this one. How? Look, x square minus 2x minus x minus 3. Is it okay? No, it's not okay. Why? Because here is minus 2x, so we have to find out two value where once we multiply we will get 3, but once we add we will get 2. Therefore here is 3x plus x. Now look, minus 3x plus x will become minus 2x, and 3 times 1, because both coefficient is 3 and 1, so 3 times 1 means 3, times x plus 1 divide x minus 3. So difference of a square, we know a square minus b square means a plus b times a minus b. Therefore here is x plus 3 and x minus 3. And here in denominator we can take common x, so here is x minus 3 and plus 1 again x minus 3, right, times here is x plus 1 divide x minus 3. So look, here is x plus 3 times x minus 3, and we can write here x minus 3 and x plus 1 times x plus 1 divide x minus 3. Okay, so now we can divide something, like here is x minus 3 out, and here is x plus 1 and here is x plus 1 out. So our answer will be x plus 3 divide x minus 3. Okay, so our answer done. This is our answer. So first question answer we already solved. Now second one. Second question, here is also two fraction, but it will be divided each other. So x square minus 16 divide x square minus 5x plus 4, first fraction, divide x minus 4 divide x plus 1. So first we have to simplify first fraction. Here is x square minus 16, it's a looking difference of a square, which is a square minus b square. So we can write like this, x square minus 16 means 4 square, and this one we can write x square minus 4x minus x plus 4. How? Because minus 4x minus x, it will be minus 5x, and 4 times 1 means 4, right? Divide x minus 4 divide x plus 1. So now we can write x plus 4 times x minus 4, because we know a square minus b square means a plus b times a minus b, and this one we can take common x, so here is x minus 4 minus 1 common, again x minus 4, and this division we can write multiplication sign, so fraction will be flip, so x plus 1 divide x minus 4. Now here is x plus 4 times x minus 4, and divide x minus 4 common, so x minus 1 times x plus 1 divide x minus 4. Now we can divide something like here is x minus 4 and this x minus 4 out, right? So what will be remaining? So we get x plus 4 times x plus 1 divide x minus 4 times x minus 1, and this is our answer. So two very important math we already solved, which is very important for SAT, IGCSE grade 10 or 9, and also lots of competitive examination around the world. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel, and if you think this video is helping you, please share with others. Thank you.